Everyday I. Useful phrases to talk about what we do every day. Get up. Wash my face. Brush my teeth. Get dressed. Have breakfast. Leave for work. Get to work. Have lunch. Finish work. Get home. Take a shower. Have dinner. Go to bed. Present simple tense. Note the spelling changes that occur when using he, she, or it. We add es after words that end with s, sh, or ch. For example, pass becomes passes, finish becomes finishes, watch becomes watches. Words ending with y will change to ies. Study becomes studies, try, tries, fly, flies. Also, add es after these. Do becomes does, go becomes goes. What does he or she do? She gets up. She washes her face. He brushes his teeth. She gets dressed. He or she eats breakfast. He leaves for work. She gets to work. He or she has lunch. He or she finishes work. She gets home. He takes a shower. He or she has dinner. He goes to bed. Who is it? Listen to the people talk and guess who you think the person is.
I wake up at 5:30 every morning. I put on my uniform and drive my car to the station. After I talk to my boss, I drive around the city and help people. I keep the city safe.
So who is it? A police officer.
I get up at 7 o'clock. I eat breakfast and walk to school. I sit in class, listen to my teacher, and do my homework. After school, I play games with my friends.
Who is it? A student.
I wake up at 4 o'clock. I get dressed and go to my restaurant. I cook food, bake bread, and make coffee. I like to make people happy with my food.
Who is it? A cook.
I get up at 5 o'clock. I feed my dog and then ride my bike to my farm. I feed the animals and then I grow vegetables that I take to the market and sell.
Who is it? A farmer.
I wake up at 6 o'clock. I eat breakfast and then go to school and teach English to my students. I help them read, write, and speak. After class, I check my students' homework.
Who is it? A teacher.
I wake up at 6, get dressed, and get to the hospital at 7. I talk to the nurses and give medicine to people. I help people feel better.
Who is it? A doctor.
I wake up at 7, eat breakfast, and get to work at 8. I wash and cut people's hair. I talk to customers and help them look good.
Who is it? A hairdresser.
I wake up at 5 o'clock and eat breakfast. Then I leave home and get to the airport at 6:30. I fly planes to many different cities and talk to many people.
Who is it? A pilot. What about you? What do you do every day?